Right, the domain here has to be x is greater than or equal to -1. What about the range? So this is the domain. The range, this is what you have to know. With anything of square root of something, this starts from 0 and goes up. So if you have something root plus 1, where do you think it starts now? 1. Right? Because you're adding, the smallest value that this can be is 0. Right? And then you're adding 1 to that. So it's going to start from 0. But you see that this can be 0 when x is equal to -1. From that it gets bigger. So the smallest value of this is definitely 1. Okay, so let's isolate this x. Subtract both sides by 1. Square both sides. And subtract both sides by 1. You get this. This is our inverse function. Okay. So you have to be careful. This is not a as it stands, it's not an inverse function of this. You have to restrict your domain. The domain of this inverse function here is this one. The range of the inverse function, okay, is this one. Yeah, so take a look here. This is the given function. Y equals 1 plus square root of x, 1 plus x. Now if I actually write y is equal to, so look, do you see that clearly the red graph is not a reflection of the blue graph? Okay. So as it stands, it's completely not a reflection. It's not the right answer. So what I'm doing is, by introducing this, I'm saying ignore anything that's to the left of 1. Here's 1 right here. 1. I'm saying let's ignore this. Now take a look. The blue and the red. Does it look like a mirror image? Yeah. So it's so subtle, right? It's just like, man, why can't I just stop here? But if you don't say it, it's clearly incorrect.